Another day, another $10,000 in less than 1 hour of trading, and you already know that comes with a big side of free education right here on YouTube. That's the Team Bull way. What's going on, team? It's your boy Jdun Trades with Team Bull Trading, and I hope you're all having an amazing day. We are live and back in action with our daily free education right here on YouTube. I was out for the count for a few days, had family in town, we had our gender reveal. If you didn't see my Instagram, we were having a baby bull, a baby boy. We couldn't be more excited. Then I caught a little sickness, was out for the count for the last 2 days, so we are finally back on the grind. And in this video, I'm going to go over how I made over $10,000 today. The education is so killer with this. It's a strategy that you can easily use, you can apply, and you're going to want to watch the whole thing. We're going to go over a stock market update. Where are we and what to watch for tomorrow, and some other tips and tricks to help you make more money day trading and in the stock market. So as always, my friends, if you like making money, if you enjoy transparent trading, and if you get some value from this video, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button in the bottom right corner. Comment what you want to learn next below, and let's get to the money together. So let's hop right into the meat of this video, right? 2 trade ideas for me today, but there's one that I really want to focus on. First one is very simple. I was telling the team live on voice that I wanted to watch for an SPX 4100 reject. This is pretty simple. We open below it, as you can see here. 4100, big whole psych number. So I was telling the team if we pop up, I want to watch for puts here. We came up, said it was okay for a starter position in this area. As you know, if you're at a big whole psych number like this, you can add starters in this whole vicinity, right? You just have to keep your risk smaller, your size smaller. That's not the big trade I want to talk about. The big trade I want to talk about with an A+ strategy behind it is this. So when you're looking at the 5-minute chart, you see we made these 2 wicks up, and then we had this big move down. So this is what we're going to call our swing high and our swing low point, okay? Our high point of the day, our low for the day, okay? So first and foremost, right, we want to take our fib tool, right? This is a key part of my strategy. Now, as you guys know, I trade volume, I trade price action, but I do use tools like my fibs to help me, and I use the VWAP during the day. We'll go over that in a second. So I see this point right here. I see us, make this lower high right here, and we make this low point. So I draw my fib tool, and I look at this. Boom to boom, all right? Now, whenever I do this, I look for the trend. If we're in a downtrend, draw from the top to bottom, uptrend, bottom to top. All right, sweet. So we look for the 50% and the 61.8. Notice we had this zone right here, right next to 408. Okay, so I'm looking at this. I also notice with these 2 candles right here that we had I had this marked from earlier from when I was doing a webinar with our team right there in Team Bull. I had this marked here in this volume. Similar volume on these 2 candles, but this one is way bigger. That's what we call an anomaly, right? We talked about this a lot when Anna Cooling came into our Team Bull trading community, did a whole 2-hour webinar, talked about volume. It was fantastic. It's something I use a lot. And this is what we call an anomaly. So there was something wrong with this. So between, having our 61.8 right here, having this anomaly, having our VWAP sitting right here, and having this be a perfect spot for a lower high on a downtrend, I told the team live on voice I was hopping in puts here. This was the result. I'll make some bread off them puts just now or before. I want to see this chat blow up like it never has before. Let's go. Loa Day's here. Come on. As you can see, a lot of happy people learning and making some money. It ended up working out beautifully. This was the high point of of this next run here. We had a straight shot down, made a new low of day. This is what I was originally aiming for and kept going lower. So with this strategy, right, you're looking at your 5-minute chart. Okay, you're using your fib tool. You find that clear defined high, that clear defined low, which was these points right here before it happened. So at this point, we can only see this. This is where we were. So right here, I'd already told the team and myself that I was watching for a 408 area reject, right around this area. This volume with these candlesticks right here confirmed it. Our VWAP at 408 right here confirmed it. And between having all of those different confirmations, that's what I'm looking for when I'm day trading, right? There's no perfect strategy. This could have lost. I could have lost money on this. Absolutely. As you can see here, let's just go check this out. I didn't. 10,541. Just for anyone who's like, oh, screenshots, whatever. No, it's all here. It's all legit. You know what it is. Also, side note, I did a live login the other day. I had my first Q1 of over $500,000, $500,252 in Q1. Did a live login of that for anyone that was wanting to see live proof. So excited about that, and I love being transparent with you guys. Love showing you guys real results because not many people do. So with this strategy, again, as I was saying, very simply, you find that clear high, that clear low, draw that up. You know what you're looking for. I confirm this with volume, having an anomaly here, shows we want to keep going down. And I use multiple confirmations in my trading That's how I trade. Now, if we go over here to Team Bull real quick, as you can see, I'm on our gain section. A lot of people made a lot of money. You love to see this. People happy, Team Bull is printing, all that. The list goes on, right? You could scroll for hours. But the point I wanted to make was when we first opened the day, right? I was looking for a 409 to 410 area supply reject, and I was watching for a move or a bounce initially at 407. Now, I want to go how that worked out and why I was watching it too. So initially my bounce area is 407. Why didn't I take this bounce area at 407 area? As you can see, we drilled right through it. We ended up retesting it. The level was legit. We just, plowed right through it. I didn't take this because we bounced multiple times at 407.2, 2.2. So if I'm bouncing an area, right, I want to see those initial buyers step in and that move up. Our buyers at 407 stepped in at 407.2. It was close, gave us like a dollar move up, but that's not for me. I like to see that initial, move. Our buyers step in, that demand kicks in, and you see that move flow with what you want to happen. Okay, so there's personally no more bounces for me between 407 and 405. I had already made my bread. I wasn't interested in trading anymore. Went about my day and enjoyed the freedom that day trading can bring. Now, let's not get it twisted. This is hard, right? There's a lot of education involved. There's a lot of pain involved, a lot of learning involved. But if you step it up, if you put your all into it for a few years, whatever it may take you, how fast of a learner you are, there is light on the other side, and that's what I hope you guys get to. So appreciate y'all being here. Love being back with you. We are back on the grind every single day. So love you guys. Trade smart, trade safe. Team Bull forever. Make sure you join me on Instagram Live every single morning at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. I'll see you guys tomorrow. God bless. Peace.